Yeah. I can't even show my face. Manje ngiyolahla udodi. Withdraw and buy pads and then buy ikota. Yaphina. Yeah, so as I was saying, I don't know what's happening. My face is itchy. I don't know why. Well, bengidla inhlabathi, but I bengayidli kakhulu. The way bengayidli ngakhona kakhulu, it lasted for 3 weeks. Wrong. Because I don't even know if it's the castor oil. I've been putting the castor oil for a week now. 2 weeks. The first week it was okay. Last week Sunday ngihamba ngayithenga enye. Since ngathi ngifaka nakhona since ngathi ngiba ne-skin rash. So that's why I'm not even showing my face. Ngapha it's my throat. I really don't know, and I'm having body pains now. So ngiphinde ngathenga le yesintu le yebhodlela le engaliphuza ekuqaleni. Ngiyithengile. Hopefully I'll be okay. And I don't know if there's pimples or rash. It's for my period. I don't know, but it's really freaking scaring me because they are kind of disgusting me and making me feel so uncomfortable. As about home alone, I'm gonna go to I have to do stuff for myself. And then Shauna Kanda. Oh God. Ngapha kusasa we have a function to attend. I don't know. Yes. It's for youth. Yeah. I can't disappoint him, but at the same time I'm sick. Hey, you want your girlfriend to kill me? You want us to be together? You must marry me.
Where is that guy? You have another boyfriend.
Which one?
Used to come with him here. Why do
Yeah, we broke up. I'm abstaining to marriage now.
Yeah. So you don't want to play around?
I don't play around. I want to get married first. So he couldn't accept that.
Himself?
So I had to break up with him.
Oh, he's stupid.
Yo. Yeah. Ish, angazi lana ngathi uvalile lo sisi. Gogo. Gogo. Kuthengisa kanjani ngekho shop? Salam. Ngicela ikota ye 22. Sengithelile ikota. Now I'm going home. I'll show you guys when I get home. Nansi ke ikota. One thing about Losisi, ama chips uyawafaka. And she's the only person mangithi ngicela ama chips are crispy. Uyenza exactly what you ask her. This is izinto angikhona ukusibona. There's Russian, there's cheese, there's ipaloni. I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere there, I know for sure. I just love crispy kamnandi anga. Yeah. Okay. And then ngathenga stone. Hopefully ngizoba sharp. By the way, nayi lento bengithi ngithengile. Ne? Uyabo? Emakhaya. Iyangisiza ngama period pains. Yo, iyangisiza big time. So I wanted to try it for colds and flu. Nama body pains because I'm having my body pains now as well. And then end up by skin sami, but skin problems, you see. So I'm hoping that it's gonna work. Here's the thing you realize ama chips akhe nje amancane amazambane akhe, but losisi uyayishaya into yakhe nje. Ingasheni yakhe imnandi. Yazi most of amapaloni akhona mabi. Ngathi njani perfume. Amarashini akhona ayasalela mawutafunga nje. Ngathi kunephepha kumele ulikhiphe. Like ayikho yonke lento ngamarashi ngalento zakalo sisi. And mina ngiwathanda amasosi ya. Especially uma kunama-chips a-crispy. Angifuni crispy. I prefer, you know.